We're here on Venice Beach. They're bringing back Baywatch, the massive phenomenon from the 90s. 1 billion people used to watch it. They have a brand new series. And we're here in LA, meeting the real lifeguards as well as some of the crew.
Will there be slow motion running on the beach? Yes, but a new version of slow motion running on the beach. There's going to be sun and drama and sand and all of the things that people love. At the same time, we're doing a show for a new generation. So there's going to be, I think, a new kind of storytelling, some really exciting action. There's a lot more you can do now than you could do back then. And we're super excited for it.
Back then in the 90s, it was a global show, the biggest show on Earth. Now that the media landscape changed, there's still going to be a huge amount of nostalgia for the show and a new generation. Do you think you'll hit those highs like they did in the 90s?
Do I think that we're going to have well over 1 billion people worldwide watching the show? We can aspire to that. One thing I will say is we're really counting on Ireland, so please guys, you gotta come through for us. We need you.
Very proud. This is even sweeter the second time around. I didn't know what was happening my first time around. Now I do. I know how special this show is and how meaningful it was to so many people around the world. So thank you for staying with us, and we hope to make you even prouder this next time.